So, hello, my name is Simona Romao, and I have completed my graduation in computer engineering from Father Conceição Rodrigues College of Engineering. And my role over here is a full stack developer. Enter.
Can you tell us what drew you to Visor?
So, what drove me to Wyzen is basically the role that they were offering and the kind of growth that I will get into. Like, it is a startup company, and like me getting my hands on of full stack development would help me grow in my career.
Okay. Can you tell us about your background?
So, as I mentioned, I have completed my computer engineering from Father Conceição Rodrigues College of Engineering.
Do you have any previous experiences?
So, I've worked at 2-3 places as front end developers, and that's it. And I have few of the projects that I have worked in, like I have participated in multiple hackathons and stuff.
Okay. Can you tell us your first thought when you joined Visor?
So, I was quite nervous as well as excited to join Visor. And when I joined, there was a lot of onboarding developer onboarding plan that was given. And when I went through the plan, that was basically a month plan. And when I went through the plan, I was quite excited because I'm going to get to work in multiple fields like QA or a business analyst or as a like developer itself.
Can you describe your first few days over here? Any part that stood out?
So something that stood out to me is basically the team's determination and the focus the team has towards the goal they want to achieve. So basically, if they are like working on something, they'll make sure that they complete it by the end of the day. And also like working on into the multiple fields, as I mentioned, like QA, BA, or development is what something that stood out to me.
Can you tell us about your thoughts about the product yet?
So I have not got much like introduction to the product itself. Look, I'm doing the QA part right now. So slowly, I'm trying to learn the product, like understand how the functionality of the product. So far I have like really, I'm interested in knowing more about the product.
Okay, great. Have you started working on any tasks or projects yet?
Yes. So basically, as I mentioned, I have been assigned quality assurance for the first week, and I've started like understanding the product and like doing like running the test cases of the product that is actually built right now.
Okay. Have you handled any early hardships or challenges over here?
So again, as I mentioned, the product is fairly new to me, and understanding the product itself is a main challenge for me. And like, if I don't understand the product, I'm not able to work on the QA task or any other tasks that are been assigned. So I think understanding the product is the main challenge which I feel I might face.
Okay. What's the most exciting thing about the work you'll be doing at Visor?
So I think the opportunity to learn and grow is something that, like, even though if may I do QA or if I do business analyst or even if I do development, it's something that new that you learn every day. So every day there's something new to bring to the table or like put out on the plate. So yeah, that is something could be exciting in Wiser.
How has it been working at Visor? The culture, the team, the
As
members.
I mentioned, the team is quite driven and focused. So, like looking at, like, even though if you at some point of the time, even if you feel like you're not motivated, you look at the team and you automatically get motivated that others are working. So you also have that sense of motivation that you also have to work.
Has working over here changed your approach towards working at a specific task or any work you're getting done?
So something that could be changed is like, again, looking at the way a problem is solved, the approach of the problem that could be solved. Like, even if at some point of the time, if it is not getting solved, like, come back to it tomorrow and like solve it again, and like keeping focus on that particular thing is like something that I could have changed my approach.
Okay. How would you describe the culture over here?
So the culture is quite, as I mentioned, like work. Everybody here is like very motivated and like into the work itself, and so that is something that I felt about the culture.
Okay. What are you looking forward to learning or achieving in this role?
So again, as I mentioned, that whichever role I choose or whichever role that I've been put in for a like week or so, something that always come out is the whatever new things I'm learning, like whether it be tools or whether it be techniques, that how the sort of things are like. For example, QA I may not have like much knowledge about how to do quality assurance, but like when in the onboarding plan itself, if I'm doing QA for a week, I get some kind of knowledge that how these things are done, like which are the tools that I use, what are the techniques that are required to do certain things. That is something I'm looking forward. And also in the role itself, like in the full stack development role itself, like developing things actually contributing to the product itself is something that I'm looking forward.
Okay. If you had to describe Wiser in one word or phrase, what would it be and why?
So one word, if I have to describe one word for Wiser, one word that would be driven, motivated, because people are very product oriented and they know like what they have to get it out at the end of the day.
Okay. What's one piece of advice you'd like to give someone who is planning to join Wiser?
So one piece of advice that I would like to give is be ready to like work into multiple fields. Like even if you come with a mindset that no, I'm going to work in development, so you have to be ready to work into multiple fields. Like you have to know, or you should be ready to do like QA, business analyst, or the other roles which are there. So it just you have to be open minded to do or put your hands into multiple places.
How do you think working over here will help you in your own career?
So working over here, as I mentioned, this is beginning of my career also. So I want to like when I get like experience from here, it definitely it will add into my resume. It will add it to my knowledge base, and it will whenever if I uh all of some sort of challenge here, and if I'm able to solve that, and if in future if I'm stuck on the same challenge, then I know what to do, what not to do. So yeah, that is something that I'm growing in future is basically like getting all the experience and having all the knowledge base from here into my future career.